So we already completed. Come on. Iterating the data frame object. Iterating the data frame object I sent. So I hope you might practice it. Practiced? Hmm? Not practiced. So CSV file are not there. CSV file is not there. CSV file configure all ticket number, Telugu marks, Hindi marks, Telugu marks, maths marks, science marks, social marks. Configure with 20 members data. Can you enter your friend numbers? Can't you enter? Science wala, social wala, teacher wala, Hindi wala, sub subject sender karna. Correct? Correct Hindi? I am also getting thoda Hindi. मेरे को भी కొంచెం తెలుగు సెకండ్ డే కేమ్ వెరీ గుడ్ షూరిటీ వెరీ షూరిటీ okay anyhow let's move to the further. Okay students, it's good. So anyhow, last class I was supposed to post that, but still somehow it not posted. That CSV file I'll post it compulsory. I'll post now. So moreover, also discussed with you accessing the data frame by using LOC and ILOC. It's a very regularly asking question, student. LOC and ILOC kind of thing. Very, very important this discussion. Subject of references. It is not a function, it is a attribute. Now it's a time to see to move to the further. It's a time to see to move to the further. So I'll go to another concept. Adding the data, adding the column to the data frame. So today I'm going to enter into the very, very important discussion, student. So I'm going to take up few important areas. What is that? How to add the data, adding the column, adding the column to the data frame, adding the column, adding the column to the data frame. This is a one thing I want to discuss. So this is one topic I want to discuss now. Next I want to go for adding the row to the data frame. The row means record. Adding the record to the data frame. Okay. Next is called what do you know, students? Data filtering. Data filtering. Data filtering from data filtering. Data filtering. Filtering from data frame. Data frame with a conditional. With the conditions. With the conditions. There it contains simple condition. Next is called what do you know? Compound condition and many more. Next, with the conditions. Next, I want to go for data filtering with conditions. Next, I want to discuss today one more subpart, data filtering from data frame. Filtering from data frame. So I'm going to take it here. I'm going to take it here from data frame with the conditions. With the conditions, data filtering from data frame with the conditions and updation, student. Updations. Very, very important. Updations with the conditions or updations with the conditions. I want to do it with the updations and conditions. Updations and conditions. These things I want to go for it. These things I want to go for it. Data filtering from data frame with updations and conditions. So I want to go for it. So here I'm going to take up adding the column to the data frame, adding the row, that is a record to the data frame, data filtering from data frame with conditions, data filtering from data frame with updations and conditions. These things I want to discuss. Very, very important, students. And we are very close to the EDA project to discuss, because wherever you go, this is a compulsory part as a part of the project. Online students, are you following me? So shall we start these things? Major important area. All these things with 1 year, if you read, in another year, if you forget, there is no meaning of it. So let's go to the further, go to the place. Already there is a CSV file. This is a CSV file. Today I will, at any cost, I will post it, because my student is waiting from last 2 days for this data frame. If I not post it, you cannot practice, I think so. Okay, right, Kia. Okay. So, okay. So today, whenever you are waiting for my file, so today I'll post it. Okay, now? Okay, good boy. So now I'll go to this place. So here I will go to it. So I'm going to take it now. So what is the first one today? I want to go for it. Adding the columns to the data frame. Adding the columns to the data frame. So it's a very, very important, students. Examples on adding the columns to the data frame. Adding the columns to the data frame. So I'm going to take up. Students, now let us move to the like this. Students, import pandas as PD, import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP. Now there I will take it. Data frame is equal to PD dot read underscore CSV, read underscore CSV. I will write it. Read underscore CSV, I will write it. What I'm going to do there? See, students, I will take up this entire part. Come on. Here, I will take this is a major important thing for me. You can take any of the CSV file on your own. Because the big data is available, I'll take this. So I will write it what? Student marks what dot CSV. So print of what? DF. This is a data getting printed. So I need to add the data or not? What I'm going to add here? Columns. I'm going to add the columns here. So here I'm going to add column. What is the first column I want to add? Total. What I want to add? Total I want to add. TOT. I want to add a TOT. Next I will add the total called what? Percentage. I will calculate the percentage. So I will go for TOT. I will go for what? Percentage I will calculate. Is it not total will come or not? Is it not this thing will come or not? Percentage also I will calculate. So I will go for calculating the total. Sir, what is the syntax? Syntax I am going to tell. So if you want to add the data to that, syntax will be like this. So to add that, I'm going to take it. Data frame object, data frame object of, data frame object of column name. That is a new column name. New column name. New column name is equal to data frame obj of new column name is equal to, I will write it, value I am writing. Data frame object of what? Value I am writing. One more also I will take it, student. One more also I will take it. Next I am going to take it. New column name of expression I will write it. Expression. So expression I can write it. Data frame new column name of expression. So let's go to it. Adding the new column. So syntax this one I will take it. Let's go. What I want to add? Total. Come on. Add the new column. Add the new column. What is that? Total. Add the new column total. Add the new column total. Total? Yes. Total to the data frame. Data frame. How do you do it? DF of, come on, total. Total. What is the beginning one? Total. I'm going to write it. is equal to 0, for example. I'm adding 0. So what is the syntax is here? What is the syntax here? This one. Are you following me? So I'm taking. You can write expression also, student. You can write this one. Value I'm writing what? 0. I can add Telugu marks I will take, English marks I'll take, Hindi, etc. marks also I can take it. So let us take it as 0. So I'm going to take it 0. Done, successful. Print of what here? DF. Print of DF. Is totally is going to be taken and adding 000 or not? Yes. Now I will compute the total. Shall we compute the total? Yes. So go for compute, compute the total. Compute the total. Compute the total marks. How do you compute? DF of total. Actually, in the beginning only, instead of writing is equal to 0, instead of writing is equal to 0, I can write an equation also. I can write one equation also here. How do I write it? DF of what I can write it? Telugu. I can write it DF of Telugu. So DF of Telugu will give you what? All Telugu marks. Plus DF of what next? Hindi. Come on, speak out. Hindi. Hindi. Plus DF of what? English. English. Spelling mistakes, no. No spelling mistakes to be written. Next, Hindi, Telugu, any order, no problem. Add all of them. Next is called what? Maths. Next I'm going to write maths. Next I'm writing what? Science. Science. So coming to the point of it, science plus what next? Social. Social I'm writing. So like that I'm writing DF of Hindi, DF of English, DF of maths, DF of science, DF of social. That are all called what? Total it is going to be computed. So let us print DF. Print DF. Is it total marks computed or not? Come on. Right, got it. Online students getting more. Is it clear for all of you? Got it. Everybody need to speak about it. Good. Now I will go to calculating what? Percentage. I'll calculate the percentage. Shall I calculate the percentage? Yes. So I want to calculate the percentage. Listening. Just move this side. You visible to me? You visible. Hmm. Okay. All of you visible. Show your face. Because this summer is very danger. Behind the student sitting, sleeping or not, I don't know. But everybody face I want to see. Okay. Now coming to total, I want to calculate. Now I will calculate the total. Now I need to calculate what? Percentage. Shall we calculate the percentage? Right. Percentage. How many subjects you have? Six. Six subjects are there or not? What is the percentage formula? Total marks by 600. Assume that it is 600 into what? 100. Can I calculate the percentage? Yes, calculate. I forget. Calculating percentage is also called adding the column only, no? So I will take this syntax I will take, student. This syntax I will write it. So go to the place. Here I am writing. Here I am writing. Syntax I am writing. What is the syntax I am writing? Adding new column. Adding new column percent. Adding the new column percent with calculation. With the calculation. With the calculations. So what I want to do? So let us add that df of percent p percent is equal to come on, total by df of total. How do you refer the total? df of total by 600. 600. This is 600 into called what? 100 into 100. Are you following me? This is calculated. What happens? Matching. So df of this bracket. Okay. So this is going to be calculated. print of df, print of df. If this is a percentage, it's not coming in the same line, not fitting. This line indicates what? Continuity. In our Python class also, continuity. If line is not coming, we can keep a slash and we can continue. Is it percentage is coming or not? This percentage is having what? Around how many digits are coming? 6 digits by default coming. So I want to go for 2 digits only. I want to go for it. Can I do it? Do you know how to do it? Which function I will use? Huh? Round off. Any other function? Any other function? Hmm? Fix and truncate is to eliminate the decimal places. Fix TRUNC is for removing the decimal places. Fix and FIX TRUNC numpy dot trunc numpy dot fix that are eliminating the decimal places. You will get a 65, 59, 70 like that. I don't want that. I want only after the dot two decimal places I want. What you will do? What you will do? What you will do? Huh? Percentage of that is in your Python class. That time you attended. Later not attended. Okay. So now I will go to modern things you need to use. NP dot a round. NP dot modu. Oh modu. So go to the place. NumPy here. NumPy here. Notes here. And UFUNC. UFUNC. Because you need to be very perfect students. In my class only, if you don't do your best, how can you do the best in other places? Who can you do in other places? So a round off. Already I said it returns float number closest to what? 0. Minus 3.166, it will be removing this. It will be removing that. It is like this. And a go for what? A round. A round. NP dot what? A round off like this. Already I said round I said, A round I said, and one of our students saying that percentage of also. You need to remember all the things. So you need to remember all modern things. I expected that this answer you are going to tell. I expected this. So be perfect students. Now go. How do you do? DF of, come on, round to, round to, round to, two decimal places, two decimal places for what column? Percent column, percent column, percent column. How do you do? DF of percent, DF of percent is equal to NP dot A round. So I already said A round. A round is nothing but what? Array round. So NP dot A round. So I'm going to take it off. What I'm going to take it? So DF of percent, DF of percent, DF of percent, comma what? 2. 2 I'm going to say. See that it is done. Round also you can use. Round also you can use. But we cannot use percentage F. But we cannot use percentage F because it is not a print statement. It is modification I am doing. So print of what? DF. DF. Please look at here. Last entry you look at. Here you look at the last entry. 71.16. 16 means third one is 6. Is it becoming 17 or not? See, 71.17. The first one you see, mom. All of you see the first one here, mom. 65.83. 3. Third one is 3. 65.83 only. So is it having 83 or not? So this is done. Is it clear or not clear? So this is called adding the new column. With the expression I said, with the total I calculated. Calculated or not? Yes. Online students, is it clear, mom? Is this concept is clear about it? So students, now I will move to the further. So let's go to the next one. Adding the data is over. What is the next? Filtering. Shall I go to the filtering? Come on, why are you not adding the row? Adding the row. So let's go. Adding the row or record to the data frame. How to add the data to the row or to the data frame? So I'm going to take it. Shall I? Yes. So syntax I'm going to take it. In order to add, see students, now I'm going to take it. Here I'm going to write it. Adding the record, adding the record to the data frame. Record to the data frame. Data frame. How do you add the data to the data frame? df of df of. See students, it is containing what here? It is okay. This percentage and all those things you leave it. Now I want to go for one more kind of thing. I want to add it. Which data I'm going to take? This data. Read originally because I already calculated this part. Later I will calculate once again to this area. Get this data once again, student. Get this data once again. Get this data newly. This data. So now I'm adding the data. So adding the data means where I'm going to add the data as a 17th one or not? What is the number 17 represents? Row index is okay. What is the number 17 indicates? Very good. Length of df. What? 17. Very good. So strike has to come automatically. Whenever I say immediately, you need to tell me the statement. The day you strike like that, who can stop you? Nobody. So len of df, len of df, that is called 17. So now I am going to take it. At 17th place, I am going to add the data. At 17th place, I am going to add the data. It is as good as similar to students. It is as good as similar to. So I'm going to have some small general example and how easy once you learn the Python very well in my class. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Print of LST. Print of LST. I want to add, want to add new element, want to add a new element, want to add new element 60 at last by using insert function. Actually, you can use update. Oh, sorry, append. Append you can use. But I want to use what? Insert. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is called totally how many? 5 are there. LN of LST is called what? 5. LN of LST is called 5. So at fifth place, I want to add my data. How do you do? LST dot insert of len of LST, comma 60. 60. So it is added. Sorry, 6 elements are added. See that now. Is it added 60 here or not? You can use the same general statement of 122. 122. It is added 122 only. Is it added 122 or not? Yes, this is a way how you can add the data to this place. Students, similarly, today also, once you are having the generalized knowledge, it is easy for you to add the data at the last. How do I add, mom? I will write it, students. Syntax is data frame obj of data frame obj. I'm write it here. Data frame obj, ln of data frame obj, ln of data frame obj, ln of data frame obj is equal to, be careful, data frame obj of what? 17 is substituted to what I am doing? List of values. List of values separated by comma. Separated by comma. Are you following me? So go for the same kind of syntax here, students. Let's go. Start now. Come on. df of df of what is that? len of what? df. len of df. len of df. So I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. Here I'm saying something like this. Something like I'm writing here. some student name I will take it. Something like 116 I'm going to take it. 116. Some number I'm going to take it 116. Where I will take it 116. I'm taking here Vamshi. I'm taking Vamshi, comma. What are that I need to take? Your number name. Telugu marks I will take it. Telugu marks is 80. And the next is called what next? English marks is called what 89. Hindi marks is called 77. Next enti? Maths marks is 90. Maths marks 90. Science marks is 89. And social studies marks is 82. 82. This is called what? Record. Well, so what is happening? 8 does not exist. Miss అయింది. Length of it does not match with the index 70. What happens? So len is 1. What happens? This one. How many values? 116. 116 name. How many values? 6, 6, 8. But how many values you posted? This is 2. 5. 5 plus 3, 8 only, no? So where is the problem? 116 of data. Here it is having value or a length. You say match with the index 17. Length plus 1 now. Yes. So it is not matching. DF of LOC of LOC of done. Done. DF of column name is for what? Retrieving the data. You people are not in order to locate row. In order to locate row, syntax LOC or ILO. I'm getting for you. I'm also not getting you. I'm talking with. LOC, open it once. LOC. Go to the LOC. Here. Open it. LOC of LOC of what? Row number. There is no DF of LOC. There is no such kind of. That's why that was error. Right, done. Print out. So, Vamsi, these values are added or not? Yes. So happily you can calculate the total. As a single stretch, I will calculate the total. Single stretch, I will calculate the total. How do I calculate the total? This one. I will add the total here. So go to the total here, adding total. Here I am going to take it. Done. Here social studies. Here I am writing. Compute the another one is called what? This one I will go for it. So where is it? DF of percentage I will calculate. This percentage I will calculate. In the percentage direct round, so will round off percent of what is this dot a round of comma a round of 2. Beautiful. Print of what? D of. So happy. Getting or not? Total I got it. Everything I got it. Got it up? Nice. Online students. Is it clear, mom? So which one I am using? LOC I am using. You can also use what? ILOC also you can use. ILOC also you can use. Clear now? So did you understand why we got an error? So DF of cannot locate the index. So to locate the row number, you have to use either ILOC or LOC need. So this place I will go for dot LOC. LOC, I will use it. Dot LOC, I will use it. Another syntax, I will use it, students. This I am going to write it. ILOC, I am using ILOC. This is also going to be done. Syntax number one, syntax number two. So, right. So students, next I will go to this. Data filtering from data frame object with conditions. Super important. This one. Data filtering with data frame with conditions. So how do you do about these conditions here? Very, very simple. Start here. Data filtering from data frame with conditions. Shall we? Let's go. So there also syntax number one, syntax number two, syntax number syntax. One is with simple condition, one is with the compound condition. Simple condition, compound condition. How do you write it? Now I will go to data filtering. So I will take as this. This is for adding new column, adding the. So I will send separately this one. Okay, now? Right. Let's go to another part. Or if you want, I'll continue. Can I continue in this only? So, or if you get confused about it, I will give a separate example sheet for you. So go to want to give because in BTech also you are written completely all in one only because all in one today you are all in one only. So all in one means you know all subjects but not even perfect in one subject. There is one proverb also. You are master of all. Whenever I say subject name, you know. Questions? You're going to take up. This is a fact. That's why, at least in my class, I want to show you separately here. This is the data filtering. I will calculate this part directly. I will do it. The total. This is the total. I will take it. Calculating total. And the next is called what you know. Percentage also I will calculate. Percentage also I will calculate. So this I'm going to write it. Done. You got filter. So I want to find. I want here I find out. Here I want to find out something like this. What is my filtering here? I want to get those records. Those get those records whose maths marks whose maths marks greater than whose maths marks more than whose maths marks more than 80 18 85 whose maths marks more than 85. First tell me how do you locate maths marks? How do you locate maths marks? df of maths. df of what? Maths. This is called what? Locating the maths marks. Locating the maths marks. You can also use like what? df dot loc of column name. You can also write df dot iloc of what? 5. 5. 5. What is the 5? Column number. You know now? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. You can use it. So you are getting the maths marks, all of them. Here I will write it more than or equal to what? 85. More than you said, na? More than means I said 85. Whenever the first one you see 98. 98 greater than 85, true. It will return true. Boolean array will come now. 67, false. True, false, true, false, true, like that. False, true, true, false, false, false. It is going on coming, which is Boolean array. So I'm going to get it more. See that it is a Boolean array. First one true, second one false, true, false, true, false, like that it is coming. That Boolean array you will pass to whom? df of. You are passing to df of. That Boolean array you are passing. Already we have much experience about Boolean array. Where? ND array. extract function I said, where function I said, boolean array, nd array with a condition I said. Done. Students, these are, come on, 85, 88, 93, 2. Next is called 6, 93, 90, 87. I want to get the marks of that. I want to get the name of it with what? 90 or 90, 95, 95, more than or equal to 95. Only few people are getting 98, 99, 90. But this Ramesh, Rose, and this people who are more than 90. I want to get only names of that people. Names of the people. How do you get it? Of. I will write what? Name. Name. Only name. So name. I want to get the marks also. I want to get the marks also. Oh, so get it here. I will get here. Name comma what? Maths. Marks? No. Which marks? Maths marks. These are the people who are getting like that. Are you getting it? Come on, students. Right, got it. So now I want to go for getting one more kind of thing. I want to get the name of the student who is getting 100 out of 100. Is there any student getting 100 out of 100? Going to get it. So any such student? No student is getting. Next I will check it. Next I will check it. Greater than or equal to 99. Greater than or equal to 99. So there is only one student is getting called what? Rosum. And whose marks is called what? 90. Getting or not? Next. This is called a simple condition. Data frame object. Data frame object of, come on, column name, column name, column name. This is going to be called what? Is it going to be the condition or not? That you will pass to whom? Another data frame or not? So going to this place, data frame object of, where I'm going to write it, simple condition I'm writing. This entire thing I'm going to write in this place. Which one? Simple condition. Simple condition, right? Simple condition. Simple example. What is example? Will write it. Filtering if you want to do it. There you will write column name 1, column name 1, comma, column name 2, column name 2. So there I will write comma, column name n. I will write column name 1, column name 2, column name n. So this I am writing it. Next I am going to write it. Next I am going to write it in place. Simple compound condition. I will write a compound condition. So there I am going to write compound condition. Compound condition means what? More than one condition. More than one condition. So I want to bring it. What is the next one? So come on. Get the names of the people. Get names of the people. Names of the people or names of the students whose maths marks. Whose maths marks. Whose maths mark ranges between ranges between between something like 30 or between 100 to something like between 90 to 80. 90 to 80. 90 to 80. How do you get it? How do you get it? That is 80, more than or equal to 80, less than or equal to 90. How do you write it? First you prepare the condition. df of Muddu, come on. Maths greater than or equal to 80. Greater than or equal to 80. This is a 1 now. This is called one condition or not? This is called one condition. One more condition I will write it. Come on. Here I will write it. Same thing. I will write it here also. Maths less than or equal to what? 90. 90. Now I need to use some connector operator or not? Which one? And. Oh, come on. In Python, you will use A and D like that. So it is called error. Because already where I said numpy level, I said simple condition, compound condition. You will use bitwise and you will use bitwise and you will use. Did you remember that? So bitwise and operator is very, very useful. Do you know the real time purpose of bitwise and? These are the common intersection value that is going to be. So the people who are securing the value between this 80 and then 90, intersection of values are going to come. So students, you need to you apply this. This is called which condition? Compound condition. So which is going to give you which array students? Boolean array is going to come. By mistake, if you write A and D, na, a very big error is coming. A very big error is coming. Is it coming error or not? So that's why students, you need to write what? Bitwise and operator. That's why bitwise operators I taught you very perfectly in my class. Very perfectly. No teacher can explain. Even in the same institute, you take others. Bitwise operators, jump. They can't explain. And you already, I posted my notes also. So students in online. So now I will go for, there's a Boolean array, got it. Pass to whom? Come on. DF of, I'm going to post it. Got it. Praveen, Ganesh, Sharif, Sonu. These are the people got marks between these two. Marks between these two, between the 90 and 80. I want to get only names. I want to get only the names. How do I get it? Name, I will get it. Names. And plus marks also I want to get it. Here I will write it. Come on. Name, comma what? Marks kada moddu. Already you said once wrong. Again wrong. So coming to the point of it, name and what? Maths. Is it coming these people or not? Yes. Any doubt? Now, I want to get next one more kind of thing. Science marks, I want to get it. Science marks, social marks. Like that, you can go on filtering the data like this. Are you getting it? So, any difficulty here? Come on. No. Online students, is it clear, mom? No. I will go for entering into some more thing is there. We are having updations also. This is called a simple test condition. I'm getting, and one more is called what? Compound condition is also there. This is called data filtering from data frame with the conditions. Conditions. Now I'm going to enter into the next variety. What is the next one? Data filtering from data frame with what? Updation and conditions. Fourth one also I want to tell you, students. Fourth one also I want to tell you. So look at that. So I'll go to this place. Here I'm entering. Online students. Very simple. How do you do this entire thing now? Students, with updations, I'm going to take it. It's a very danger. Be careful. So today, I will go to my place. Here, I got how do you filter the data? You got almost all the stuff here. Next, I want to go for updation student. There also, I'm going to filter. I want to filter it, update it with the conditions. All these things carry forwarded. Now here, students, if you carefully observe it, percentage and everything is available. Here I want to get it today. Grades I want to assign students. Grades. I want to assign the grades. Do you know the grades? Here, grade, distinction. Who got distinction? Who got first class? Who got second class? Third class? Like that I want to assign. That is called updation or not? What is my condition for updation? Who got more than? Who got more than? Observe the percentages once. 59, 60, 70, something like 74, 79, something like 79, 70. Okay, more than 75, whoever got it, more than or equal to 75, whoever got it. I decided to give what? Distinction. I would like to give the distinction. Is it called updating the distinction or not? Yes. Next, okay, let me do that. Updation window separately, I will show you. This is called examples on data filtering. Data filtering. Filtering with conditions. With the conditions. Got it. Okay, done. So next I decided to go for the similar type of mechanism here. Another one I want to rate. There I want to go for updation. For these are very important. Careful. Here I will take it. Carry this data in this place. Filtering with updations. With updations. Along with the conditions. Okay. Got it. This data. Immediately calculate the percentage and then total. Got it. Yes. Next I will go to percent also I am calculating. Go there. Yes. Now I'm going for print of what? DF. Print of DF. Got it. Now I'm going for updation conditions. Updation conditions. Conditions I'm going to take up. What is the first condition, mom? Give, come on. Give grade. Give grade. How do you give the grade? First of all, how do you give the grade, mom? DF of add new column. Add a new column to the data frame on the name of what? Grade. On the name of grade. How do you do? DF of grade. DF of what? Grade is equal to none. I am going to tell none. Well, we don't know the grade. We are giving the grade based on filtering. Filtering means what? DF. So I'm going to take it. Is it none or not? So I am going to update the grade based on the filtering data only. So I want to see DF of percent, DF of percent. Updation conditions, I am going to take it. Updation conditions. What are the updation conditions? If, if percent of marks more than is more than 75, then give give grade give as grade as what? Distinction. Give grade as what? Distinction. Next, if the percent of marks, come on, more less than 75, and more than what? 65, then grade as what? First. Grade as first. More than or equal to. More than or equal to here. Next, second one. If the percentage of marks is less than, come on, Madhu, and more than what? Come on, 55. Give the grade as what? Second. Give the grade as second. So here, I think more than everybody is having 59, 60, and I will keep this is anything else less than that 59 only. So all of them are going to get 55. 55 it is called a second. So anybody else less than 55? No. What I do is still I will take little higher student. 1 minute you see 70, 65, 59, 70, 61, 74, 79. More than 75. Okay. 75 to what? 70. 70 I will take it. And this is 70 and then what? 60? 65 this one? 65. And next, if the percent less than 65, because more conditions I want to go for. Less than 65. And less than 65, whoever is having, then give grade as third. Grade as third. So got it. Okay now? Start Chadama. Let's start. First, I want to bring the people who are having more than 75. Please bring it. Please bring it. So I'm going to take it. I'm going to write it. DF of marks. DF of, sorry, percent. DF of percent. DF of percent greater than or equal to 75. Greater than or equal to 75. So who are the people I want to see? That is called a filtering with conditions. Sonu is having 79.83. Whose grade should be doing what? None. Actually, none is there. Now I need to give what? Distinction. How do you get the grade value now, mom? So I will write it. In this place, I will write it of what is this now? Grade. Grade. So I'm getting the grade as what right now? None. Today, I want to update it. I want to update it. How do you do that? I will say this entire thing. I will write it. Df dot, this is locating. 14th one you are locating. You got it. This point up to here, you got it. What I'm going to write it. In order to update it, df dot, come on, LOC. Df dot what? LOC of, this is called what here? Here only I will write it. Df dot LOC of which condition? Simple condition I wrote it. Simple condition I wrote it. Of like that, of like that, comma, you need to write the column name. What is the column name? Come on. Great, great. Whichever column you want to update, you say close. This you close it. This is called a condition. This is called the data. Actually, this will give you the information. Closing bracket. Where is the closing bracket? Df dot LOC of grade. This is the one. Okay. Does not match with this. Df dot LOC of simple condition is equal to column name is equal to simple condition. I'm writing. 1 minute, student. 1 minute more. So got it. This you got it. Okay, that's fine. I want to go for closing this. This is unmatching. Is equal to, I will give. Is equal to. This will give you the answer. Now, this will give you the answer. Is equal to, I will write it what? Distinction I will write. Distinction I am going to write it. See students, distinction is equal to grade of, cannot assign to the literal. So I will take it. This one, df of percent. This one you should not write. Yes. Grade. This one is matching. This one is matching. Perfect. So you'll get it. Bracket problem. Bracket problem. And with your laziness, you cannot even solve this error for half an hour also. Bracket problem. So execute. Print of what? DF. Print of DF. So who got? Only one person got. 14th person called distinction here. Who is the 14th person? Sonu. Sonu got what? What is the percent of marks? 79.83. Only one person is updated as what? Come on. So what is the syntax here? What is the syntax, mom? Come on, fast. Data frame object dot LOC of what is this now? Simple condition. Simple of comma. You need to write what? Column name. Column name. That is whichever column you want to update. That is equal to this bracket is this bracket closing is equal to what is that? Expression. Expression. That is what you are updating this column name, you are writing it. Getting or not? Because this is a very important. Next, I will go to the one more thing. I will take it. What is that? Compound condition. I will take students. What is that? Compound condition. Compound condition. How do you write compound condition? Bitwise or operator you will use. Okay, now? So, online students, I think I am not making you to feel difficult. Those who did not attend on Friday class, Saturday class, they can't sit even 2 minutes in the class because it is a continuous process. It is a continuous process. I can tell pandas even in 2 hours. In YouTube, this is only trending. Python pandas in 2 hours, pandas in 1 hour, pandas in Telugu 1 hour. More reviews are there. దాన్ని బట్టి అర్థమయ్యేది ఏంటి? ముద్దు క్యాండిడేట్లు ఎక్కువ ఉంటారు మన దేశంలో. Pandas in Hindi, more number of reviews. So original subject not learning. This type of things are more learning. Correct? Even Matrubhasha చాలా important. Everybody, even yesterday, I attended one Sammelan gathering. There everybody is talking about Telugu. We have to respect the Telugu language, that this India, that this etc. So many things. But the one of my colleague is also in colony is my friend. Yes, she's teaching. They introduced it. They introduced it in one college in Hyderabad. One college is there. She's a professor, it seems, in one college. She's saying so many big words. You have to make your children to join in Telugu medium schools. That to this. I can just take a speaker. If speaker is there, I would like to take. What is your children is studying? Are they studying Telugu medium? Are they studying Telugu medium? Generally speaking, are they studying Telugu medium? Nobody. Where they are studying English medium. చెప్పడానికి బాగానే ఉంటది. For telling everything is good, but implementation is very difficult. And she is saying Telugu song also in middle. I just closed my finger like this. Because Gandhiji said what? Don't listen wrong, don't speak bad, like that. For a political lecture, so many things will give. Implementation, correct or not? That's why students, what we speak, what we speak, that we have to do. Otherwise, there is no meaning. Meaning is impossible. Correct or not? Right. Okay. Hmm? Pandas with quantum computing. Where? Oak Ridge International, Jubilee Hills. Okay. See, school. In school also they are learning. Pandas in quantum computing. Swiss students. Sai Umesh is saying. So, like that, people are. So, college people only don't know quantum computing. In school, they will teach. Correct? So, shall we join there? Join. Shall we join there? So, now, is it clear? Come on, say. Clear or not clear? So, go. Oh, anyhow, students, come to the point. Next condition. Next, what is the next condition? This one. Second condition. Distinction is over. Distinction is over. Come to this place. Start. This condition as it is. As this I will take it. DF of percent. This is one condition or not? And I will write one more condition like that. Here I am writing Another condition I will write it. One more condition I am writing. This one. And all the things I will put it into one more combination. One more place I am keeping. What should I do it now? More than 70. Less than 75. Okay, you want to keep it less than, no problem. What is this now? Greater than what? Greater than or equal to 70. Greater than or equal to 70. That to 70.00 you write. 75.00 you take it. Why? Float point is there now. If you take 75 and then 70, it looks for only that. It is not considering the fractions. Understand, mom? Yes. Please look into that. Grade is equal to what I should say? First. So you want to see this is a one. You want to see up to here. First, I want to say first. So I think I'm not making you to feel difficulty. This is called which condition? Compound condition. This is called one condition. This is called one more condition. Both the conditions I kept into one more bracket here. All of them are kept into one LOC. Which one I am locating? Grade. So that I am printing. In last class, LOC concept I already said to you. In LOC concept I said to you. Where is that? LOC, this one. Are you seeing that now? Row number and then what? Column name. That is nothing but the data is coming over there. Column name. Because of that, what will be coming? Row number will come. Because of that, what will take? Column name. Is equal to value, you write it. Updation statement, you wrote it. Print of DF. Print of DF. Super statement. This is called what? First. 70. Next is called what? 74. First. Next is 74.17. First. 71.1. First. If you write only 70, na? Why? It takes only 70. Fractions will not be considered. That's why I wrote 70.00. Okay, now. Right, good. Students, next I will go to one more kind of thing. What is the next one? What is the next one? I am going to take it. Third condition, I will take it. If the percent of the people is less than 70 and more than 65, go. And I'll copy this compound condition once again. Consider this. Tell me, less than 70, less than 70.00, more than 65, 65, off like that, off what? Second, second. So I wrote it, got it. Second also. Print of what? DF, print of DF. Is the second is there or not? Second is there. Second class people are more. These people look for pandas in 1 hour because they have a lot of greedy in the brain. Lot of greedy. At a short time, they want to reach to the darshan. Not possible. Hard route, if you go for the target, that is a success. Short route, if you go, not coming. Satisfaction will not be there. So tomorrow morning, you want to become 1 crore you want in your hand. Possible, huh? Possible, huh? Possible. How? One weekend night, Friday night, going to one ATM or bank, seller, enter inside. Saturday enjoying weekend there only, putting everything in the bag. Sunday early morning coming over the ceiling. All of a sudden big alarm will come. What will happen? Sunday morning directly to the Monday morning somewhere else. Sri Krishna Janmasthalam. So it will go there. Come to the point back. Online students. Huh? Okay. Now Sai Umesh immediately will come back. He will say immediate fact of it. Okay, ma, come on. Why in the middle? I will tell you because your brain is becoming very heat now because of these conditions and all. In middle, I will tell you for relaxation, and you should not take granted that Sir is enjoying with this jokes in the class. So go to the next one is none. Take the last condition, like take condition this one. Go. So I'll take it. I'll take it. This one. What is this? Third. Third. How do you read the things? So already there is a something is written. Write what here? Less than 65. Less than 65.00. Is it necessary to write a? No. No need. No need of writing. No need of writing. Is equal to third. DF. So rest of them only. Things candidate. After coming. How? 7.2, 7.0, 7.5, like that. Are you getting 9.8? Huh? Well, marks are now big. Big marks will not come. Less marks will not come. Only average marks will come. In that area, a lot of people will be there. Do you have 9.8 CGPA? No. So I have 9.75 CGPA is there. 9.75. 9.75. I have 10 by 10. 10 by 10. These are my teachers. Of course, very sad people, mad people. They intentionally reduce my mid marks. Intentionally reduced. Because I'm not a normal candidate sitting like this, moving like this. They say, Madam, you enter, I will say. Madam, you enter special symbol, I will say. They won't enter. They'll say, is a college and eating away our brain. That's why they will intentionally reduce my marks. That's why I got less marks, students. Otherwise, I would have been getting more marks. So that is my drawback. But I never stopped that. Entering enter float value with I will say. They don't enter. I only will enter when I am doing the code. I will call that coordinator. That mentor will be. Then like that I use this type of rebel questions. Not rebel questions, these are intelligent questions. That time, this is my habit of all. You also need to habituate like that. So, but you did not ask the ticket. The ticket is important. Got tickets? All tickets are there. Okay. Move to the further. This is one more than written now more than compound condition written. This one. It is not possible now. Locating is important. Location is important. If I filter that, filter means what? 65 to 60. I want to take the group of people, change their grade, 20 to 75. Locate it and change the grade. All of them can means what? DF only. It is a DF only. So it is not possible. Right or not? Can you write all exams in one day? What happens if I write in one day? Exception now. What is that exception? Fail error. Fail only. Why? X subject you'll write in Y paper, you'll write in Z paper. Finally, what is that paper? You don't know. One day or the other day. Okay, finished. This data, very important. Export data. Export. Which data? Data frame data. Students, export data frame data to which file? CSV file. I'm exporting. In the beginning line, what I got it? Imported. Imported or not, students? Imported. Here, it is imported. I read. Now, last I will do. export. Which one I calculate so much of work I did or not? How to do, students? Df dot pd dot pd dot down, or I can say df uh, pd dot, I hope so. Pd data df data, I will check it. 2 underscore CSV. 2 underscore df dot t underscore CSV. I need to take it df dot 2 underscore CSV. I need to write it. Which one I need to write? Absolute path I need to take it. Absolute path. D colon or somewhere else, wherever you like it. C colon. C colon. Where is that? C I'm writing. In C, some say there, mango. Mango. I have to data. So here I will take it. In this place, I will write it. In this place, I'll write it. Final result. Final result. Final RES dot what? CSV. CSV. Yes, done. Where it is done? This entire D of data. This is my entire D of data or not? It is the place that I'm going to have C colon, strawberry there, mango there. This is a final result. Microsoft Office Excel comma separated file. So there you say double click on it. Is it available with all the grades or not? This is called like this. Is it clear? Right, like this. We can go for this. All your counseling, MSET counseling, all your JOSA counseling, tools they are using behind the software development is this only they will use. This is an analysis tool. In which college you will get the rank, locality, your rank, your reservations, all these things if you enter, they will predict the rank. Rank predictor. So maps will be there or not. The rank predictor is nothing but behind that what? Pandas NumPy only. Are you getting, students? So this is called what? One Excel sheet is prepared. Easy or difficult? Easy. So you can also send it to whom? You can also send it to what? Excel sheet also you can send, students. You can send it to the Excel file, Excel sheet, Excel can send Excel. So what is that, student? Here to Excel, to Excel. So there I will write final dot it is done. What is file? To X for Excel on you Excels in your system. In your Excel must be there. Go there. Here what? This is called final. Microsoft Office Excel worksheet. This is called Microsoft Office worksheet. Here you are getting extra. That entire things also will be coming. This I can suppress this kind of data also. What is the difference? This one and this one you see. This is called what you know. Earlier one is called what? Here there is no 0, 1, etc. is coming. Are you able to follow now? So this is the data we are going to use it. I think, students, you are understanding the subject of how to export the data. Are you okay? So students, now you got it. How to export the data, you got it. Now next I will go to it. Online students, is it clear? Is it clear? Exporting the data CSV file. I will there once. I take. So here put the data what CSV file. Next is what? Text file also you can send, student, but text file sending is no use at all. Text file sending alignment will not be coming properly. So what is the text file? To text, to underscore txt. but it is not recommended. Olden day story that is. So coming to this, only these two. Actual recommendation is what? What is the syntax, ma? What is the syntax? Whose data? Whose data? Data frame object. Frame object dot to underscore CSV. What is this now? Absolute path. Absolute path of what file? CSV file. Absolute of which file? CSV file. So next is called what? Here I will write it to Excel. To Excel. To Excel. What is this now? Absolute path of Excel sheet. Excel sheet with an extension. With an extension. Mm, dot dot XLSX. X dot XLSX. X. This is with the what? Dot CSV. With an extension dot CSV. With an extension dot CSV. Is it clear? Done, students. So got it. Next, I will go for one more thing. So XML. See, mom, as in I can do XML also I do. But when you go to the XML, Java people it is more useful. But when you go to the XML, I have to talk X, sets, and I need to take it as a DOM. I need to explain these models. Models I need to explain. Simple API for document model. Concepts are there in Django. I can explain how to build XML file using Django, but in real time, Excel and CS files are very important. For Java people, XML file building is very important. Servlets and JSP parts. So Ashin, I hope you are understanding. Not how to build file but by my class. Or model architecture I need to take care. Becoming okay, Ashin, I hope you are getting it. Now go to the next one. We can go to it. Vamsi, sir, since total percentage columns are built-in expressions, sir, with an expression, my dear student, that actually I want to tell you in the beginning, but Excel will be having some limitation to store the data. Excel is having some limitation to moreover. That is one thing is in the Excel columns. Number rows also having what limitation? Vamsi, good question that is. Excel is having some already these formulas are there. Cell based programming. Only one line you can write. But if I want to write more number of lines, is it possible to write? Not possible. So, Vamsi, I hope you are getting. Number of columns are restricted, number of rows are restricted. Plus, you are writing cell based programming there. If I want to write more number of lines of code is not possible in Excel. Excel. So I hope you got it. Got it. Okay, ma? Right. Srihari Gaud, to do, sir. Yes, I will tell you that also. How to connect to the database and how to convert into data frame. That also I will do. Give me 2 days time. I will explain that. In NumPy also I will show you. In Pandas also I will- Srihari. So that is also good question. It is there as a part of my class. Okay, na? Don't worry about it. Now, students, next I want to go for sorting the data. Sixth one is called what? Sort the data. Sort the data of what? Data frame. Sort the data of data frame. Tell me, how do you sort the data of series? Not remembering. Meal and ఎక్కడ చూడలే నేను one year listening, another year listening. Next day only, immediately next day. How do you go? Sort underscore values. Gayatri good, Hajira good. Only two students are saying. That two girl students are saying good. Keep it up, ma. Go anything here. They are doing. All of them are doing meditation. They are all gold medalists. All of them received gold medalists in big university. So take 2 minutes what they are taking and doing meditation in the class. Completely meditation they are doing. Correct? Doing meditation or not? So now I will go to the syntax. What is the syntax? Come on. Data frame object. Same to same. Data frame object dot sort underscore values. This is one thing. Next I will write it. By default, it is going to give you what? Come on, students. Ascending is equal to what? False. Ascending is equal to false. Here ascending is by default what? True. True. Next I will write it. One more kind of thing. Here I can say one more kind of thing. Ascending values here I will write it. Comma. I already wrote it, students. In place is equal to true. In place is equal to true. Written or not? Yes, written. Next I'm going to write it. Ascending is equal to false. Ascending is equal to false. Comma. Here I am writing ascending is equal to false. In place is equal to true also I will do it. Do you know the in place is equal to true? It will modify the data then and there. Shall I do it? Let's go. I will go to the same place. Now I have to get it. This is an export and import. Come on, go this only. Sort the data of which one? Data frame. So a lot of things are there here. This place is called what? Updations are there. Sorting the values are there. So much is there inside. And don't expect a separate file for it. So again, I need to calculate everything. Come on, start. Df dot sort underscore values. Sort underscore what ma? Values. Sort underscore values. See that it is going to give you what is this now? Sort underscore value. Missing one required positional parameter. Df sort underscore values. Okay, good. Now I will go to percent. What is that? Percent is an yes or no? So you are looking at 0.59 coming. Is there some percent top percentage student? Get the top percentage student. Get the top percentage student. Get the highest. Get the highest per student name. Get the top percent student name. How do I get it? Madhu, df sort underscore values. Sort underscore values of percent. Percent. That will give you what? Ascending order. Ascending order data frame will be coming. From there, I want to get it what? Name I want to get it. Name. What that is coming? Sort underscore values are coming. I'm going to tail of one. I'm going to get it. Is it called Sonu is the highest person or not? That too in the is going to get it what? Name. So I'm going to get the name called Sonu. And I'm going to get the value there. Value there. Okay. That is nothing but what? Values. So it is going to give you the value called what? Sonu. And I will go for getting what here? 0. Sonu. Student, sorry. What a beautiful statement I am writing. This is called coding. మనం ముందుదే గుర్తుండదు. Beginning only you are not remembering. One point, another point, another point, another point. That is subject. Correct? So from where I got it, that is an important. Tell me now. Come on, Madhu. Sort underscore values of what you want to sort it. Percent. Percent. Okay. After that, That will give you what? Ascending order. So ascending order means last one contains highest only now. What is the function name? Dot tail of, tail of. I can write a tail of. Tail will give you last five, but I want the last one. Got it. In the last one, complete data is coming, but with that I want only name. I want name. I want only name. I am getting name is coming. That is nothing but one. This is series is coming. There I will get it what? Values. Values I'm getting. That is going to give you array, ND array. Is it called index 0 or not? This is 0 I'm writing. So no, correct. How will subject it is like that you need to get. Percentage if you want to name comma percent also if you want to get it. Enter. I'm going to get it. Percent also I'm getting. Percent also I'm getting. So for a percent extra getting our subject students. Here I will write it. Values I'm so I got it like this. If you want to, I will write 0. Is coming, is coming. 0 will write it. Mono is coming. Of this, this I will write it. Write it equal to percentage. It's called a one. This is called percent. Percent equal to it. Percent is less. I want the highest maths. Get the highest math student. On. We have got star underscore values of ascending is equal to false. Ascending is equal to false means I'm going to do what? Descend. So top, first student is called what? What is this first of all? Maths. Are you following me? Math. I'm going to what? Well, with that the structure is using max 99 is there. Rosem is the highest 95 etc. Not okay. After that, what should I do? Dot head off or what is this now? Off I can 0:1. 0:1. Awesome. So many ways. When I say tail, you will say head. Change చేయాలి. Sir also should appreciate. That's very good boy anali. When I say tail, you will say head. When I say middle, you will say bottom. But you will change directions. Permanent knowledge required. There I will forward. In that I will name. Name. This is name I want. Come on, this math. Maths. See that name maths. Whose part I'm interested. Whose also. What a beautiful subject. Percent I got it. What values I will values. So this is a subject. Dot values I will take. Dot values I will take it. So got like this. This 0. This is called a 1. This is called a 2. What a subject this is? I will go to this. Here I write it. For value in print of val print of val. So I got these three things. From there I will get it. For what? You know, details in where val for val print of details. Get- So how many ways? These are all Python standards. Once you know Python very well, you can do. See this to understand this itself will take. So to other people it will take to other people. But I used to say pin to pin for you people. Are you following? So students, here you need to write what name? column name you need to write. On which column you are writing, you need to tell. On which column you are writing, you need to tell. Column name. So this also in place is equal to true. That is going to be permanently doing the change, right or not? Permanently doing the change. That's all. Online students, is it clear, mom? So here I want to do this entire thing. So if you want, you can sort it out based on this data. So I'll write it science based, last and final. Sort the data of what? Data frame based on science marks. Based on science marks. In which order? Ascending order. Ascending order. Come on. D dot sort underscore values. What is that? Science, comma, in place is equal to true. Nothing. If I don't write anything, ascending is false. If I don't write anything, ascending is equal to true only. If I write ascending for descending, say print of what? DF. DF. So it is going to come all the science marks in descending order with corresponding values also changing. Science 44, 48, etc. 98 is the last. Richie is the highest person name. Richie. So how do you get it? D dot dot him. Him. So it will give you Richie. It will give you what? The value of or something like 0. It will give you what? A value, value, values, values. Is it Richie? That value is going to be giving you what? 0. Richie is the name. Okay now? So once you start learning, it's a lot of happy will be giving when you start like this. So today we got a lot more points. Sorting the data, exporting the data, filtering, and then what? This many kind of things. This file, lot of operations has done. Okay now? Right. Online students, I'll stop my class. Tomorrow I will go for covering some more number of topics I will cover. Don't miss the classes. Right? Students, our batch is started morning 9 o'clock. New Python batch demos are going on. Any of and related, you can intimate once.